Hi, today I have Dr. Wasim with me. He's a doctor of wellness and preventive medicine. So he's going to tell us about the long-term effects of corona after a patient has recovered from corona. He's going to tell us more about the long-term effects of having suffered from corona. So yeah. Hi. So can you tell me more about the long-term effects of corona and then the role of preventive medicine in this, and how we can go about and how we can use things to recover?
Okay, so when we talk about preventive medicine, people always say or think that you prevent something, but prevention has multiple levels. As you know, there is primary prevention, there's secondary prevention, there's tertiary prevention, and nowadays we also have quaternary prevention. So primary prevention is preventing the disease itself or trying to do things that prevents the disease. So for corona, I think we all know today that wearing masks and hand sanitization and all that plays a huge role. Both of us have tested negative and therefore in our space it's okay. But otherwise it's very important that your hygiene and your mask is what prevents you or gives you a chance to prevent you from getting the disease. But secondary prevention is once the disease has come, how do you prevent long-term effects? Tertiary prevention is after you had long-term effects, how do you prevent death and disability because of that? So here we talk about secondary prevention. What is happening before we understand how to prevent? What we need to understand also is that what is this disease causing? It appears that after somebody has the corona infection, the body's inflammatory system is playing havoc in the system. So some of my patients, I've had patients who are non-diabetics who have suffered corona and they've come back all set. Suddenly they're becoming diabetics. In fact, the Diabetic Association, I think, of Chennai has published a report saying that they're noticing that the patients have now developed diabetes. Now, people who had diabetes were worst affected by the corona, but those who were not worst affected, those who had the disease, went through that and came out, we are seeing now that they need slightly more medicines. If 1 milligram of glimepiride worked for them earlier, now they seem to need 1.5 milligrams. So somewhere this inflammation has kind of destroyed the body, is playing havoc with the body systems. Since it's a new disease still, it's only about 6-8 months, we are still getting more and more data. In some time we will have a better understanding of what all it can cause. But currently this inflammation is causing havoc in the system. Diabetes is one example. As we get more reports, we'll probably see how more long-term diseases are coming because they have recovered, after they have recovered from this COVID.